Hi, good afternoon. Vince Attarda with Coastline Environmental Solutions. What do you know about dryer vent cleaning? Most people never even give it a thought until their dryer stops working. They go out and buy a new dryer. Obviously that wasn't the problem, because with the new dryer, the clothes are still not drying. If you want to save energy and you want to have better life expectancy of your appliance, you want to do your maintenance. Dryer duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning is very essential. It's fairly simple to do and should be done from both ends when possible of the exhaust vent. Also looking for leaks and making sure that the vent isn't collapsed behind the dryer vent, which will prevent a lot of the air from flowing properly. And also where your lint can be cleaned by hand, you can remove that. We can get into the machine and go a little bit deeper and get some more of the lint out. But another important reason to do dryer vent cleaning is it is one of the leading sources of house fires, is because the lint build up and it catches on fire. So you want your clothes to dry faster, your machine to work better, save energy, clean your exhaust vents to your dryer more often. Keep us in mind when you're ready to have that done.